Hello students, today we discuss chemical reaction and chemical equation. In three previous videos, we discuss all detail about the chemical reaction and chemical equation. This is the first chapter of the chemistry class 10 and all the points are discussed in previous three videos. The link of three videos is given in the description box of this video. So let us a quick revision of this chapter, chemical reaction. Chemical reaction. Chemical reaction. Breaking of old bond and formation of new bond. When old bonds break and form a new bond with new property, a compound is formed is known as chemical reaction. Chemical equation क्या है? Chemical equation क्या है? इसको हम डिस्कस करते हैं. Chemical equation symbolic representation chemical reaction. जब किसी केमिकल रिएक्शन को सिंबल्स या फॉर्मूले के फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट कर दिया जाए तो उसे हम केमिकल रिएक्शन बोलते हैं. उसके बाद कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स या observations. The observation helps the reaction or going in forward direction or not. That means we determine the following observations by the reaction is going or not. The some observations such as change in color, temperature, स्टेट. टेम्परेचर में चेंज हो, कलर में चेंज हो और स्टेट में चेंज हो तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि केमिकल रिएक्शन फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है. इसके अलावा इवोल्यूशन ऑफ द गैस भी ये ऑब्जर्वेशन है जिससे हम डिटरमाइन कर सकते हैं कि कोई केमिकल रिएक्शन फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है कि नहीं जा रहा है. इसके अलावा हाउ टू बैलेंस अ केमिकल रिएक्शन. बैलेंस chemical equation. Why we balance the chemical equation? As we know that in the previous class 9th we studied that the conservation of the mass. The mass neither create nor destroy, it's always conserve. In the chemistry, the total number of atoms in reactant side should be always equal to the total number of product side. That means R equals to the P. Reactant, the mass of reactant should be equal to the mass of product. H2O. Consider two hydrogen. That means hydrogen is balanced. But here 2 oxygen, 1 oxygen should multiply with suitable number and equal both sides. 2, 1. Here multiply with 2, then number of hydrogen will be 4 and number of hydrogen will be 2. But number of oxygen will be balanced. So we multiply with 2 in hydrogen. The number of hydrogen 4. Here number of oxygen is 2. Here number of hydrogen is 4 and here number of oxygen is also 2. That means this chemical equation is balanced. Then we discuss some important chemical reactions that frequently asked in the CBSE examinations. So let us discuss. I will give a link in description. You can download all the important chemical reactions. that's asked in the examinations. That means important chemical reaction. Magnesium react with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. The reaction is very easy, but in the examinations, many times ask questions why magnesium rub with sandpaper, why magnesium rub with sandpaper before the burning in air. The magnesium form layer of oxide or layer of carbonate, that's why rub with sandpaper, that help in burning of magnesium ribbon in easy way. Then we discuss about combination reaction. Combination reaction. What do you mean by combination? Combine, that means add two or more reactants form a single product is known as combination reaction. X plus Y form XY. That's the example of the combination reaction. Some important examples of the combination reaction that frequently asked in the examinations. Calcium oxide plus water form calcium hydroxide. This equation asked in many times in CBSE examination. This calcium hydroxide used for whitewashing. Whitewashing means painting of wall. Painting of wall. And in a NCERT, a question given, what happened calcium oxide react with water and compound form that are used in whitewashing. The compound is known as calcium hydroxide and the powdered form is known as calcium oxide. And this reaction is exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. What do you understand by exothermic reaction? The reaction in which heat is liberated. Heat is liberated. Heat liberated. जिसमें हीट बाहर निकलती हो उसको हम एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शंस बोलते हैं. इसके अलावा बहुत सारे ऐसे रिएक्शंस हैं जिनमें हीट बाहर निकलती है. तो आइए देखते हैं कुछ एग्जांपल. C6H12O6 plus during the respiration this reaction involves and heat is liberated in the form of energy. It is liberated in the form of energy and form carbon dioxide and water plus energy. This reaction is also exothermic reaction. During the process of respiration, breakdown of carbohydrate, protein and fats takes place and energy is produced. That's why this reaction is exothermic reaction. Let us discuss about decomposition reaction. What is the decomposition reaction? क्या होता है decomposition reaction? तो आइए हम डिस्कस कर लेते हैं कि what is decomposition reaction. What do you mean by decomposition? Decomposition में break into small pieces. Decomposition reaction. A single reactant give two or more reactant. A single reactant give two or more products are known as decomposition reactions, such as XY give X plus wine. That type of reaction is known as decomposition. A single reactant gives two or more products is known as decomposition reaction. Heat. Ferrous sulfate heated form Fe2O3 plus SO2 SO3. We see that FeSO4 breaks into two or more products is known as decomposition reaction. But in examination, the color of ferrous sulfate is green, but when it heated, its color become white and gives a smell of sulfur. And this is the example of thermal decomposition. What do you mean by thermal decomposition? Thermal decomposition. The breaking of reactant with the help of heat is known as thermal decomposition. This is also example of thermal decomposition. This is the example of thermal decomposition. But in this reaction, brown color fumes is liberated when lead nitrate is heated. Brown fume. Brown fume. The characteristic feature of this reaction. In various types of question put up from this equation, X compound heated, brown fumes is liberated, then we know that when lead nitrate is heated, brown fumes comes. Another examples of thermal decomposition by electricity and light. Thermal decomposition with the help of light and electricity, known as electrolysis. Electrolysis of water. During this process, balance this equation. The amount of hydrogen is double to the amount of oxygen. In NCERT textbook, a question is put up, which gas is formed double in amount compared to the oxygen during the process of electrolysis. So we see here the hydrogen formed in double amount in this reaction and known as electrical decomposition. Discuss about photo decomposition. Photo decomposition. Photo means light. Some compounds decompose when kept in sunlight, such as silver chloride and silver bromide that are used in photographic plates. AgCl form AgCl2. Also AgBr, light. Both are the example of photo decomposition. Then we discuss about displacement reaction. First of all, know that reactivity series. Reactivity series is too important to understand the displacement reaction. The more reactive element displace the less reactive element. The reactivity series in NCERT textbook may be given in page number 44. डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन क्या होता है? Iron is more reactive than copper. That's why iron displaces the copper and takes the place of copper. A color change is observed when iron needle put in the solution of CuSO4, its color becomes changed blue to green. A displacement reaction is also zinc displaces copper and forms zinc sulfate, and the color of change observation is also observed. In this reaction, the blue color of copper sulfate change into colorless zinc sulfate solution. The copper sulfate and zinc sulfate, ferrous sulfate, all are the aqueous form. What is mean by aqueous form? When a solution making in water is known as aqueous, the solvent is always water, then solution is known as aqueous solution. Discuss about double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. Na2SO4, BaCl2, sodium sulfate, barium chloride react to form BaSO4 plus NaCl. A white color precipitate is formed during this reaction. Double displacement reaction. In this reaction, white color precipitate is formed. What is precipitate? Insoluble material formed during the reaction are known as precipitate, and such type of reactions is known as precipitation reaction. So this reaction is example of both the double displacement and precipitation reaction. Let us discuss about redox reaction. When reduction and oxidation takes place at same time is known as redox reaction. Let us see an example of redox reaction. Here she died. Remove oxygen, add oxygen. Removal of oxygen is known as reduction. Removal of oxygen is known as reduction, and addition of oxygen is known as oxidation. the compound supply oxygen for oxidation is known as oxidizing agent. In this reaction, copper supply oxygen for process of oxidation. That's why copper oxide is oxidizing agent. Copper is oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent OA, जिसका रिडक्शन होता है वही ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट होता है. And here hydrogen is Ra. But in some questions ask copper is oxidizing agent, hydrogen is reducing agent. So let us take never in product side oxidizing and reducing agent. Reducing and oxidizing agent always in the side of reactant. Already discussed in previous lecture corrosion and rancidity. The decay of metals is known as corrosion, and spoiling or unpleasant smell due to the oxidation of food is known as rancidity. Corrosion, decay of metal by action of water and air. वाटर और एयर के एक्शन से अगर किसी मेटल में डिके हो रहा है तो उसको हम कोरोजन का नाम देते हैं. रेंसिडिटी क्या है? unpleasant smell due to oxidation of food. अगर कोई भी फूड आइटम ऑक्सीडाइज हो जाता है तो उसमें से अनप्लीजेंट स्मेल आता है, उसका टेस्ट अनप्लीजेंट हो जाता है. तो इस प्रोसेस को हम बोलते हैं रेंसिडिटी. तो कुछ एंटीऑक्सीडेंट हैं जिनके थ्रू हम रेंसिडिटी को रोक सकते हैं. एंटीऑक्सीडेंट such as nitrogen. That nitrogen, some fatty and oily material are flushed with nitrogen because nitrogen acts as antioxidant. BHA and BHA and BHT is also synthetic antioxidant. Thank you for watching a complete discuss in this lecture, a quick revision of chemical reaction. So today finish the chemical reaction and chemical equation chapter. So subscribe my channel and boost my morale. Stay home. Stay safe.